Hi, my name is Lorelei and this is my mom.
I'm Gwenda, and it's Christmas here at the Pryor House Bed and Breakfast, and we thought it would be a lot of fun to show you around and show you some of the things that we've been working on the last couple of weeks.
Just decorating and getting ready for the holidays here in Maine at our family's bed and breakfast.
So enjoy. The tree in between the two staircases has a combination of different ornaments from throughout the years, and I've had a fun tradition of making a different ornament every year, and when our family comes here for Christmas to celebrate the holidays, I give a different ornament to them every year. So I'm going to show you some. These are some of the paper ones I've made, and I used recycled pages from a book. And here's another one of those. And up here, this one I love because of the colors in it. And then one year I did some string art. Another year I did decoupage oyster shells. You can see the back of the shell there. And those turned out really pretty. I like those a lot. Yeah. Next I'm going to show you into our guest living room. And the fireplace always makes it nice and cozy in here.
It does.
This year I decided to do a couple of skinny trees in the corner. This is a Santa that I found down at a local consignment shop. And the buyer's dolls came from my mother-in-law.
I still think they're creepy, but that's okay.
Oh, I love them. I think
we have a Belschnickel over here.
All three of them are different Belschnickels.
You can't really see them because the light is.
Okay.
But a little manger scene, nativity scene over here.
I want to show you something that I really have a lot of fun. I do this almost every year. If we have a lot of winter berries growing out in the hinterlands of the woods or the power lines or whatever, I go and I harvest these winter berries.
Hey Glenda, what you got there?
And then what I do is I put these paper white bulbs in, and these have grown some, you can see, but when you first put them in, they're very low, so it's easy to put the winter berries around them.
They come up through the berries.
They come up through the berries, and they're beautiful white flowers against the contrast of the red winter berries. I love.
And you always put real fruit on the mantelpiece.
Yeah, that's fun too.
Yeah.
I put some more winter berries up top in a basket. And
we have another little manger scene.
Yeah.
I think, what are these figurines called?
It's called Willow Tree.
Yeah.
But I want to show you something new this year. These little houses were, I believe, made by one of my guests.
Yeah.
They gave it as a gift when
It's really nice of them. And then we have a little tree over here, and the ornaments are
from my mother-in-law.
But they're all little like tin.
Santa over here in the corner.
But there's another one. I didn't even realize there were
This guy came from an estate sale that we went to this summer, kind of like him.
Got a little Santa on the wall. Okay, and then this is the guest dining room.
This is our dining room where we serve breakfast in the morning. And I've just done a couple things. On the shelf over this Santa is...
you made this, right?
Yeah, it's a cross stitch, and I did that one year. I kind of like having that displayed on the shelf.
Got a little Christmassy wreath.
I have some more buyer's dolls up there. I like to change them out with the seasons. We have several of them.
And we got another little mini Christmas tree over here on like the, what is it? Coffee table?
The buffet.
The buffet table.
It's not a coffee table.
Yeah. Put anything in the bathroom here?
No. Oh,
no?
We have more winter berries.
Oh, she put more winter berries.
Yeah, more winter berries in here.
All right. Let's go upstairs.
Something new I did this year. These pillars I found, there's one in each corner here.
Mom down there for size comparison.
So these are the pillars that I found along the road this summer. And I just thought it'd be fun to put some garlands around them, put some poinsettias on top. And this mirror, I usually like to have some kind of pines or berries going on with that too.
We have a Christmas pillow over here. And then outside this window we have a tree that lights up at night on the little platform thing. Hey, that looks nice. Do you think so? I think we have enough. I think that's enough. 2 strands. It's not a big tree. Yeah. Yeah, if you keep those lights there and tuck in that, and then it looks fine. Yeah, that's perfect. Looks pretty even to me. Did you look at it from over there? Yeah, it looks even. And how about down below? Because there's not as many lights down below. Oh, it's fine. You can't even see down below up here.
So in my guest rooms, I don't do an awful lot of decorating. My goal in my guest rooms is to keep it fairly clutter-free. I will change out the pillows on the bed. I do that sometimes. I have battery-powered candles in the windows. I do that because you don't have to deal with cords, stringing them to plugging them in different places, and they're also on a timer, so it makes it pretty stress-free.
Any what am I saying? We don't have Christmas decorations in this room at all, but we do have some little lights, you know, makes it a little homey during the season.
This is the tall chimney room, and in each room I've put out one of the little flyers for Bath. There's a different Christmas theme every year. This year it's Winter Wonderland or Woodland Wonderland, and all the downtown shops have done their own unique window displays.
You were part of the judging this year.
Yeah, this year I got to be one of the judges
Very
for the window
exciting.
displays. And it was really hard to choose. They all did a really good job. So I just tried to let the guests know what's going on in the area.
Yeah.
And another thing that's going on right now is the Gardens Aglow with the coastal
in
botanical
Booth Bay,
gardens
Maine. Yeah.
in Booth Bay.
But other than that, we don't really do any decorating in the
guest
rooms.
rooms, I don't do an awful lot of decorating.
Especially because it's like their personal space. We don't know
Yeah.
if they want the decorations or not. We don't even know if they celebrate Christmas. So, yeah. All right. This is just an added bonus. We have not decorated up here either, but my dad did clean it up, and he wanted it to be appreciated that he cleaned up the attic a little bit. Yeah, it's always kind of festive up here with the lights anyways, right, Mom?
It is. It really is.
Yeah. But yeah, Dad's little book library thing in our attic. And yeah, I hope you guys appreciated how much he cleaned it up. He put up the starboard too. So he was very excited to show everyone that, especially when we had Thanksgiving here. Yeah. All right. We got some comments on our last tour of our family's bed and breakfast. If we lived here, we do live here. We're not going to give you guys a tour of our side of the house because that's personal, and yeah, we just don't want to. So, but this is our family Christmas tree on our side of the house in our living room, and Mom and I are going to do some ornament hanging right now. Yeah. This one is my brother, and this one is me.
Find like something like one of these big guys to put him on.
Oh, this is another one of the ornaments we made.
Yeah, that was a cool one that we made.
This one is another one of the ornaments that Mom made. It's a little, Christmas tree ornament, and then you got a cone, and she put paint on it and seeds. Sprinkles. She also painted Santa's on oyster shells. That one creeps me out. She looks like she's gonna haunt you or something. Thank you for watching the decorated tour of our family's bed and breakfast in Maine.
We wish you a wonderful Christmas season and happy holidays.
Happy holidays. See you next time. Bye.